Joint pain can strike anytime, may you be old or young. So here's a fast and easy home remedy to cure you of this stubborn problem. The ingredients that you need are 2 tablespoons of cayenne pepper powder. Cayenne pepper is rich in capsaicin that reduces pain and has properties that warm the area and release the discomfort and pain. 1 cup apple cider vinegar and ½ inch grated ginger. In the solution of ACV, add cayenne pepper and grated ginger. Stir the mixture until you get a fine paste. Apply this paste on the affected area and leave it on for 20 minutes. Remember to apply this paste 2 times a day on the affected area to lessen the pain and eventually get rid of it. Until next time, stay tuned and stay glamorous.